If you are struggling to complete all of the content and you know Easter is coming up, so you want to take advantage of that, then have a look at my Easter crash course session. Starting on March 31st, GCSE Sciences and GCSE Maths, we are going to complete all of the content by April 11th, including exam practice, exam techniques, and practical skills. We're not actually going to do the practical, but we're going to talk about all of the questions that they may ask about it and what you need to remember, how to structure your answers, and things like that. One of the questions that we get asked a lot is, how do we do the course if we're all doing different exam boards? So we've designed it in a way where it follows the AQA flow of topics, but it's not following the content only of AQA. So this means that if we come across a keyword or even a topic that is slightly different in other exam boards, we'll always note this down. In fact, it is so important for even AQA to learn about Edexcel and OCR style questions, because nowadays they've changed the past papers, or they've changed the exam papers to make it more similar to Edexcel and OCR, where it's less straightforward for AQA and more winded, I would say. It's more like a story. So anytime we come across a keyword, so for example, in AQA, we just say weak intermolecular forces when we're describing bonding of covalent simple molecule structures. But for Edexcel, in some cases, we have to explain that it is hydrogen bonding. Whenever we have those differences, I will always state them. But all the resources that you will get, including your practice paper based on my predictions, will be based on your exam board itself, and it will be specific to your exam board. You will receive all of the recordings for all of the sessions, so if you need to go back on it again, you can. You will also be added to a group chat where you can ask questions. There will be an admin present as well, including me and your GCSE Maths tutor, which is Vanessa. She's an Amgen Harvard scholar in cancer research, and she's been tutoring for over 5 years now. I've been tutoring for 6 years now. We have a long track record of students getting 8s and 9s, and students even jumping 4+ grades. It starts on the 31st of March, so make sure you get your spot fast because they are limited, and they start from £4.75 per hour. The full session is 70 hours, including past paper practice, exam techniques, and everything else. See you there. Bye!